Hey everyone, quick video. Uh, Basically I bought myself a mechanical keyboard that's way overpriced. And I just received it this morning. Had to pay, what do you call it? Border fees, or something like that. But it was worth it. I couldn't contain the excitement. I opened the keyboard already, but I'm gonna simulate the whole thing for you guys. Because, wow, I'm amazed. So WASD basically is a company that makes mechanical keyboards that lets you customize the color of every key on the keyboard before you pre-order it, and they let you choose what you want to print on the key. They let you choose the Cherry MX switch under the key that you want to pick. So I went with a Cherry MX Red type. I thought it was a good idea. I didn't have the chance to test any of the switches before buying, so I took a gamble there. And basically I had a design in mind that I really wanted to get, and I find it cool because the guy who shipped it wrote, "Shine on, you crazy diamond." Does that remind you of something? It should remind you of Pink Floyd. Yeah, the price was pretty expensive, but in the end I think it was worth it. I think I'm never gonna buy another keyboard because it might wow, it might look silly at first, but that's exactly what I wanted. So bear in mind, if you don't like it, I'm really happy with it. So that's the keyboard. It's still in packaging, and once you open it, I mean, the box came with a mini USB to USB, with a PS2 to USB, shit, and it came with a keycap remover. That's basically all it came with, and the instructions. But the keyboard, holy shit! I'm gonna take this off real smooth. Sorry, I only have one hand. This is my keyboard. Dark side of the moon, bro. Dark side of the moon. So it's Cherry MX Reds. They can be either noisy or really soft. And under the back we have WASD Cherry MX Red numbered. I don't know what it means. The plug and the dip switches. Man, it's a bulky keyboard, and yeah, I'm just terribly happy with it, and that's all I wanted to say. The build quality is amazing. It's much better than what I used to have, and you can see the reflection here, the type of keys I'm having. Really nice stuff. What I used to have before was really shitty. I used to have this piece of garbage Logitech. Compare the difference. Compare. I went from this to this. You can see right there. This is not a change. That's a quite different change in keyboard. That's shit, and that's amazing. That's all I wanted to say to you guys today. Basically, if you want more footage of the keyboard, I can provide. I can play tons of Stepmania with it. It's gonna be amazing. In the meantime, you guys take care, and I'm gonna have a ton of fun with this. I don't know if I'm gonna go to work today.